Hey y'all, I'm frying some corn here, and what I put in it, onion powder, parsley flakes, garlic powder, and a little Cavender's Greek all-purpose seasoning. And I am going to give it a stir. And in the bottom of my pan here, I have a little bit of olive oil and avocado oil mixed. Okay, so I'm just going to fry this down, and I'm going to cover it with the top and just let it steam and cook, and I'll bring you back. Okay, y'all, I'm back to show you what this fried corn is looking like. And I put in a pinch of salt, pinch of pepper, and I'm going in with some cream style corn. I'm going to mix the cream style corn in here like this and let it get all incorporated in here. And I will add a little more of onion powder, garlic powder, Cavender's seasoning, and some more parsley flakes here, and let it simmer down, and I'll come right back. Here's that corn all plated and done with some leftover barbecue chicken and Italian green beans. I have tasted that corn and it is delicious. Thank you so much for joining. This is Patty's Southern Kitchen. Please tap the notification bell to be reminded of the uploads. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for your comments, your questions. Thanks for following and pressing that like button. We will talk to you soon. I love each and every one of you. Goodbye.